everything sincere.
You gotta dip. You gotta dip out that situation. You gotta back out that bitch like a robbery, boom.
It is the Homo Talk Show. It's your girl Yuri G. Corey. It's sincere. With Henderson Matta, CEO of Signal 23.
And we need you to do 3 important things. We need you to like, comment, and subscribe.
So what we have is the Homo Shop. And with the Homo Shop is during a hookup, your consistent friends with benefits says, I love you. How do you respond? I mean, I almost did this while my gorgeous Sierra friends with benefits was finger banging me. It's an immediate mood destroyer. Do you ignore it and keep going? Do you say olive juice, which sounds like I love you, and keep going? What if you feel the same way? How do you respond? Okay, so basically it's just like friends with benefits, turning into, I love you. Do you take it as they want to pursue something more, or they just want to show that they genuinely care about you? Like, what are your thoughts on it, Corey?
I feel like, just to sum it up, straight to the point, they just love what y'all doing at that moment. I don't think they really love you as a person, especially if it's just friends with benefits. So you're doing something that benefits them. They're doing something that benefits you. And like from my take, 9 times out of 10 is probably sexually. So I feel like it's just a thing that's in the moment.
Oh, so was that you agreeing, Henderson?
Oh no, I'm sorry. This dog is getting in my face. I guess for me, what's the right thing to say so this don't spiral out of control? For me, I ain't gonna never tell nobody I love you. I guess to answer that part of the question, I ain't gonna never tell nobody I love you if I don't have those feelings. But I think that the key thing that comes first is friends. And I will say some of the best relationships I've been in have been with people where it started out as friends first and developed to something else. So I think that, again, just like relationships are forever evolving. So, it can evolve to that. And no two people are never at the same place at the same time in a relationship. You know what I'm saying? So it's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, it'll catch me off guard. Yeah, it'll make me think about it. You know what I'm saying? But I wouldn't. And if it was I would say if it was somebody that I knew I didn't want to go further with, then I probably would try my best to. I'll try my best to cut it off. If it's somebody I know I don't want to be involved with, and I see them catch each other, I'll try my best to cut it off. Because at the end of the day, if they're my friend for real, I would never want to hurt them.
All right. Well, we definitely get where you coming from, Henderson. And so I guess to go into my whole, after hearing everything you all had to say, the friends with benefits, like, sometimes, sex is the cool part about it, but, if you all decide to chill after sex and cuddle and, have those pillow talks, it can be easy, to start feeling more, and it not necessarily, translate to both parties or whatever. And then so like the I love you, might come or whatever, but not reciprocated. And so, for me personally, I try to avoid friends with benefits. Like if we're gonna be just having sex, okay, let's do this for, some kind of monetary thing or whatever. Like let's make a video, let's put this on Xtube, so that I know that it's a business transaction. Let's not have sex and you say that we just friends, because now I got an emotional attachment with a benefit, and then you expect me to not think it's a relationship. Like we have this connection and sex, and it's not a relationship, like, no. Let's just say we're fuck buddies. Let's not say friends with benefits. We're fuck buddies. You come over, do the bang, get the hell on. We make videos, whatever. Let's not say friends. Like, let's not hang out. Let's just be fuck buddies.
I think there's a difference. I think there's a clear difference between a fuck buddy and a friends with benefits.
That's what I'm saying. And so,
but see, somebody who's a friend with benefits, that means they were a friend first.
okay,
You know
I'm saying, but what we're saying is, if somebody say I love you, and you want to keep it as a friends and fucking thing, how is it supposed to? What do you think, Sincere?
You gotta dip out that situation. You gotta back out that bitch like a robbery. You feel me? You gotta get out of it. Because, you know what I'm saying, it's not good. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to ruin a friendship because, you know what I'm saying, the feelings is not mutual. So everything you do now, they can take personal, when before they wouldn't take personal. Like, y'all can be around each other and you can be on the phone with somebody else and they, you know what I'm saying, they not tripping. But now, you know what I'm saying, being as though they confess these feelings for you. Or, you know what I'm saying, now every time you're on the phone with somebody else, now they get an attitude real quick, or whatever the case may be, like, why you acting like that when you're not my main? Or, you know what I'm saying, you already know what the situation is. Like, me personally, I gotta get out of there, because if this not what we agreed on, this what we agreed on, just friends with benefits, and you start catching feelings, it's not a good situation for both of us.
Okay. Well, I'm glad that I got to hear everybody input and, you know, just everything being so diverse or whatever in, you know, in perception. And I think what plays a major part is, you know, the characteristics and the roles of, you know, between the male and the female. You know, some people can be more carefree, some people can be a little bit more attached. And, you know, I can attest that, you know, I've gone through several times. So, yeah, that's why I say I just can't. I can't do a friends with benefits type of thing. And I'm glad that, you know, I got to see the way that everybody thought about this subject. And so I want to thank everybody for tuning in to, you know, the Homos Talk Show. And again, we're here with Henderson, CEO of Signal 23, and we have Corey, and we have Sincere. And I want you all to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any comments, any suggestions on any other topics you all would like to see. We do communicate back, so please do interact with us, and we're always here for you.